Hi guys, it's Mike. Today I'm back for the Christmas Craft Creation Challenge blog, and it's August. Our theme is animals, and this is the card I made. Grumpy Holidays from Whimsy Stamps. Seem perfect. First I made a stencil. I done that by drawing this shape on cardstock, scan it on the scanner cut, and then had the scanner cut it from stencil plastic so I can use it over and over again. And it's just, well, I thought a bit of a comic book store, well, not store, but shape, comic book shape. And because it's Christmas, I'm using candied apple. And it looked a little bit weird to me, it looked a bit brownish, but now that's dry, it's red, must be the lighting. So I'm just applying it and it keeps moving. I decided to just take off the magnets and hold it shut. And I think it's a bulldog, so I tried to color him, I think it's a him, as one. And he looks a bit comic book like as well, so that's, I thought this shape would do well. Might need a black outline on it, I don't know, not sure, doesn't matter. And you can of course interpret the theme animals in many ways, as long as it's a Christmas card. Maybe Rudolph, polar bear, penguin, still animals, but I liked him, he's so cute. Well, he's grumpy. And the tree that's in the set, that will be perfect for when cats have been at it. I don't have a Christmas tree, I have 2 cats. And yeah, I'm not sure. These ones have never seen a real Christmas tree anyway, so they just small ones. I made you a present. It's on the lawn. I printed that in the, well, in shape, because I thought that would look like he's saying it. And you could do speech bubbles or stuff like that, but I'm quite sure it is well understood. I'm sorry, I thought I pressed record, so I missed a little bit of the coloring. But I will turn on the music and then catch you next month. Hope you will play along. Links and stuff are down below. And thank you for watching. Bye.